Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're looking at what we believe is the best cordless 56V 530 CFM leaf blower on the market right now, the Ego Power Plus LB5300. If you're tired of noisy, gas-powered machines or flimsy electric tools that just don't pack a punch, this model could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into what makes it so powerful, efficient, and user-friendly. The Ego Power Plus LB5300 boasts a sleek, modern black design and is built with durability and practicality in mind. It's a handheld unit with an ergonomic grip and lightweight body that makes extended use comfortable without putting strain on your arm. It's a battery-powered unit, which means no cords and no gas, just grab it and go. Just a heads up, this model does not come with a battery or charger, so you'll need to purchase those separately if you don't already have a compatible Ego 56V ARC lithium battery. This blower delivers serious power. With turbo mode activated, it can push out up to 530 cubic feet of air per minute at speeds up to 110 miles per hour. That's strong enough to handle everything from dry leaves to wet debris and even caked on grass. It features a variable speed dial, letting you control airflow from 260 to 400 CFM with precision, depending on the task at hand. Whether you're doing light cleanup or clearing thick layers of yard mess, this blower gives you options. Now let's talk about runtime. Using a 2.5 Ah ARC lithium battery, you can expect up to 75 minutes of operation on a single charge. That's impressive performance for a cordless model, and it means you can cover a good amount of ground before needing a recharge. And if you're already using other Ego tools, you'll be happy to know this blower is compatible with all Ego 56V batteries. Swap and go, no problem. One of the standout features is the high-efficiency brushless motor. It's designed to minimize vibration, increase runtime, and extend the overall life of the motor. Less noise, less wear and tear, and more efficiency over time. Plus, the blower includes a turbo button for instant power when you need it, and a variable speed trigger for on-the-fly adjustments. It's smartly engineered for control and adaptability. It's available on Amazon, and there are additional nozzle attachments and short tube accessories if you want to customize your setup for more specific jobs. If you want cordless convenience, professional-grade power, and excellent runtime, the Ego Power Plus LB5300 stands out as a top-tier choice in the 56V leaf blower market. It's lightweight, powerful, and engineered to make your yard work faster and easier. That's why we're calling it the best cordless 56V 530 CFM leaf blower available right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this helped you make a decision, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what tool you want reviewed next. See you in the next one.